Hi everyone, welcome to week 44. The external cladding has been continuing down the long side and onto the north gable. Little details here around the bird roosts that are built in. Internally, we've been fitting the Corston architectural ironmongery, which is really nice brass, antique brass door handles and some oak veneer doors there. Some really nice details. This weekend I've been slogging away fitting the fitted furniture, so wardrobes in our room here, so little hanging wardrobe there, and then some double wardrobes here, his and hers. This is the small wardrobe with a mirror door on it, so it's a nice view out. And then this is in our daughter's room, so been working away this today, scribing the cupboards into the sloping ceiling, which has been a bit of a challenge, but got there in the end. Downstairs, the chestnuts arrived last week. There's a lot of chestnut to do, so that's a task for the next couple of weeks. The kitchen built-in bench is there. That's ready to be clad in chestnut as well. I've got the wine cooler in the end there, or beer cooler. Oven and microwave fitted, double sink there, and brass finish. And yeah, the kitchen's coming together. Worktops are fitted, measured last week, ready to be fitted. And a nice view in the back garden. So it's all coming together.